And I can literally walk up to him in the middle of a show of him performing and
smooth.
Because I want to, because that's how I see it. That's so free. It's liberating, bro, to be able to just create how you want. So love and respect to that boy.
BlxckMonopoly presents Dope Dialogue. On that genius topic, you dropped the genius gem that your brother told you while you were on tour. He gave you while you were on tour about capturing the moment.
Right. So, like I was saying before, when I shot that first show, and then after, and I showed the pictures, and we were on the bus. We were on the way to, I forgot what country we were in, Helsinki, which is Poland. You know what I mean? Well, we were on the way to Warsaw, Poland, bro. And I'm like, what the fuck am I doing in Poland, bro? I only skimmed over this in high school, I guess. There was something there. I'm in Poland, that's amazing. And we were on a bus, and I asked him, I was like, hey man, am I getting in your way? Like, you know, you want me to shoot from the ground or the side of the stage or, you know, back? Like, what do you want? And he looked at me in my face and he said, you can never get in my way. You know, take whatever picture you want to take, make sure you take it. It doesn't matter what obstacles are in your way, get over it and go take that picture, because any picture can change your life. It's just like you're an artist. You know what I mean? It's a difference. That's the difference. I'm an artist. I'm not a cameraman, bro. Like, I fucking hate that. Don't ever treat me like a cameraman, nigga. Like, I'm not here to just work for you, my boy. Like, just as a camera, like your iPhone. I'm not your personal iPhone. Like, bro, this is art. This is my vision.
You here to add value.
That you're paying for. Yeah, I'm adding value to
Sure.
this. You know what I mean? Like, this is some shit. Once I do it, or once you do it, whoever the perspective or the respected camera
artist.
Man is. I am an artist.
For sure.
If you want to call it that, whatever. But the whole point is that just like you're an artist. So create. Don't let somebody get in the way of you creating, even me. You know what I mean? So some of the shots, like I said, I shoot on a 50 millimeter. So a 50 millimeter flat, and this is a 50 millimeter when there's no zoom to it. You know what I mean? So I can't stand back there and zoom in to your face. No, if I want to get that close-up shot, you know, I gotta come up to you.
Got you.
You know, which is it's so beautiful that he let me do that, because he's who he is. You know what I mean? And I can literally walk up to him in the middle of a show of him performing and
smooth.
Because I want to, because that's how I see it. That's so free. It's liberating, bro, to be able to just create how you want. So love and respect to that boy.
Dope.